This is Pradeep sir, your maths teacher from Sid Vidya Mandir. Today I am going to teach you linear equation in two variables. An equation which contain two variables. An equation which contain two variables, that is a, x, m, n. Anything is called a linear equation. For example, 5x plus 4y. 5x plus 4y is equal to 60, or 5x plus 4y plus 60 is equal to 0. This is called as linear equation in two variables. The general form of linear equation in two variables are ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 60. So student, when we write the equation in form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 60. In that case, a, b, c is always real number. Always real number. Real number means what? The number which exists in real, that is 5, minus 5, 6, minus 6, whatever, but it is a real number. It is a real number. Now we are going to discuss simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation, when we think about two linear equation, that is what? 3x plus 4y is equal to 6, that is equation number 1. 4x plus 5y is equal to 7, that is equation number 2. This is two linear equation. When we think about two different equations, that time this equation is called a simultaneous equation. Student, last year we learned to solve simultaneous equation by eliminating one variable. By eliminating one variable, which means from 3x or from 4y, from 4x or from 5y, we eliminate one variable, either x or y. Last year we learned that like to last year, this year they give us exercise 1.1. Student, now I am going to start exercise 1.1, in which first sum is what? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Student, on blackboard I write two equations, that is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. In this sum there are two equations, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, a plus 5b is equal to 22. We have to eliminate one variable. Either it is a, either it is b. One variable we have to eliminate. Now we see which variable is constant. Constant means equal. 5b and 5b is a constant in both the equation. In equation number 1 it is 5b, in equation number 2 it is 5b. both the variables are constant, and we also see what's the sign of first equation and second variable of second equation. The sign is also same. That's why we subtract. So we subtract equation 2. We subtract equation 2 from equation 1. When we do operation of subtraction, the sign of second equation will be changed. If it is plus a, it will become minus a. If it is plus 5b, it will become minus 5b. If it is plus 22, it will become minus 22. Now 3a minus a, it will be 2a. 5b minus 5a will cancel. 26 minus 22, 4. A is equal to 4 divided by 2. A is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. A is equal to 2. Yes, student, the value of A is equal to 2. We find one value, that is A is equal to 2. Now we find the value of B. How we find value of B? Substitute A is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. What is our equation 1? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. 3, the value of a is a what? 2 plus 5b is equal to 26 plus 5b is equal to 26. 5b is equal to 26 minus 6. 5b is equal to 20. B is equal to 20 divided by 5, that is 4. B is equal to 4. The value of A is equal to 2 and the value of B is equal to 4. The value of A is equal to 2 and the value of B is equal to 4. So student, we find the value of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. Now we write answer. The equation of it is the solution of equation is A comma B is equal to 2 comma 4. The solution of equation is A comma B is equal to 2 comma 4. Yes स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गया. हमें फाइंड आउट करना था वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी. द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 2 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ वी सॉल्व इक्वेशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 1.1. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. That is equation number 1. 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. That is equation number 2. Student, in this question, the equation is in form of fraction. The equation is in form of fraction. 1 upon 3x, 10 upon 3. Second equation, 1 upon 4y, 11 upon 4. So, first we arrange it in proper form. So, first we arrange it in proper form. That is, we convert the equation in integers. And what is that integers? For 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. For removing this denominator 3, we multiply by 3 both the sides. 1 upon 3x multiply by 3 plus y multiply by 3 is equal to 10 upon 3 multiply by 3. This 3 cancel by this 3. X plus 3y is equal to 3 cancel 10. That is equation number 2. So students, we get equation number 3, x plus 3y is equal to 10. Now we multiply 4 in equation 2, multiply equation 2 by 4, that is 2x multiply by 4 plus 1 upon 4y multiply by 4 is equal to 11 upon 4 multiply by 4. 2x plus 2x into 4, 8x plus y is equal to 11. That is our equation number 4. So student, we got two new equations, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now we eliminate one variable from this, so we equalize y. For equalize y, we multiply by 1 in equation 3 and multiply by 3 in equation 4. Now we got two new equations, that is this is multiplied by 1 and this is multiplied by 3. X plus 3y is equal to 10 and 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. 3y is the same constant and the sign is also same, therefore we write by subtracting. Minus plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. X minus 24x minus 23x, 3y cancel, minus 33. 33 minus 10 minus 33 minus 10 minus 23. Minus 23. Minus 23x is equal to minus 23. Therefore, x is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. X is equal to 1. The value of x is equal to 1. Now we find y by substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1, 2, 3 or 4. Any one equation we take, so we take only 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1, 2, 3. We will take equation number 3, not 1, equation number 3. And equation number 3 is what? Equation number 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10. 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 10 minus 1. 3y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. The value of x is equal to 1 and the value of y is equal to 3. The solution of equation is 1 and 3. So student, now we are going to solve next sum, that is sum number 7. Sum number 7, equation 1 is the what? 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. That is equation number 1. And 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. That is equation number 2. In this type of sum, instead of eliminating one variable, we find two new equations by subtracting and adding both the equation. In this type of equation, we don't eliminate one variable. Instead of eliminating one variable, we first add equation 1 and 2 and find one new equation, and after that we subtract equation 1 and 2 and find another new equation. So first off, we add equation 1 and 2 by adding 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Now divide by 200. We simplify this equation by dividing 200. Divide by 200 both the sides. We divide 200x, 200y and 1000 by 200. We got one new equation, x plus y is equal to 5. 200x divided by 200x, 200y divided by 200y, 1000 divided by 200, we got 5. This is our equation number 3. So student, for find another new equation, we subtract equation 1 and 2 by subtracting plus 101x minus 101x plus 99 minus 99 plus 501 minus 501, 99 minus 10x minus 2x, 99 plus 2y is equal to minus 2. Now simplify the equation by divide by 2 throughout, or both the side of equation throughout. Now minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. That is our equation number 4. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. Our first equation is what? X plus y is equal to 5. And our second equation is what? Fourth equation is what? Minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. That is our equation number 3, and that is our equation number 4. Now we solve equation 3 and 4. So student, our new equation is x plus y is equal to 5. That is equation number 3. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. That is equation number 4. We eliminate one variable, x is the same and the sign is opposite. Therefore, by adding x minus x will cancel, y plus y 2y, 5 minus 1 4, y is equal to 4 divided by 2, y is equal to 2. The value of y is equal to 2. Okay student, we get y is equal to 2. Now we find x, substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 3. Equation 3 is what? X plus y is equal to 5. X plus 2 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 2. X is equal to 3. The value of x is equal to 3. So the solution of equation is x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. So students, we complete exercise 1.1 in which I solved some questions. that is question number 1, question number 6 and question number 7. Remaining question you will try by yourself. You practice it, you will try it. Okay, bye.